Welcome to today's episode. Today I want to talk to you about the secure score in Microsoft Defender for Cloud. If you never heard Microsoft Defender for Cloud, that's basically the rename of the Azure Security Center that got rebranded into the Defender family, as we have Defender for Microsoft 365 or Defender for Windows, etc. And so in a nutshell, what is the secure score? The secure score is basically an index or a number that helps you or provides you visibility on how you can increase the security posture across your environment. That's in the cloud with Azure, on Microsoft 365, think Office 365, or on your desktop clients like Windows. But even more importantly than me talking to you, this episode is actually I require your help. I would really love to hear from you. If you know the secure score, if you use it, if you find it helpful, or why you're not using it, and what changes you would like to see to come. I will put in a URL. It's going to take less than 5 minutes. It's on SurveyMonkey. It's completely anonymous. But let me quickly show you just how awesome the secure score is, or at least how I feel that it's awesome and all the great things it does. So we're here in the Azure Portal, and you see I'm in the Microsoft Defender for Cloud. I see my subscription down here below, and I see an overall security score which says I'm at 69%. So 19 out of 28 possible points I could get. If I now click and want to see the details, it will show me all the different controls for multi-factor authentication and others. And these are based on best practices from the Microsoft security teams, but also some are based on very popular standards that you might try to comply with. Now you see here where it shows you basically what's the maximum score for each of these category: encrypt data in transit. You see I have a relatively low current score, and then it would actually show me each of the single resources. Like here, one of two web applications is not using TLS or should be updated to the latest version for function app. So you can crawl here and very easily basically increase your security posture. The awesome thing about this is you can give access to the different people that own a subscription. Like in my case, I use an internal subscription from Microsoft for demos and testing things, so I can use that visibility just for me, but I don't have visibility to other Azure subscriptions, just the ones where I have the access rights. And what I like about it is because it's kind of like a playful with the explanation why you should do something, how you can do it, what it will apply. You can refer to more help on the individual points, and straight from here, you don't have to go back to the resources, find it, you can do it straight from here. Let's see how that looks like. So here, if I say one of two web applications, if I click here, it will go a step further. It says how often it's going to refresh. It shows me the remediation steps, what I need to do it. And here down below, it shows me the Social Logic app, which is the app that I used for that. You may have or recall that because in my previous blog, I kind of referred to that, the web app that I did that analyzes Twitter mentions, hashtags based on sentiment and publishes it to a dashboard. But as I said in the beginning, this is really for me to hear from you. First of all, are you using it? What do you find helpful? Why are you using it? Why are you not using it? And what features would you like to see? Now, this is obviously for us straightforward for resources in the cloud, but what about your on-premises? What would you like to see there? And with that, DDev Kurt out.